Hey guys, it's Kristin. So today is Saturday morning, March 11th, and I have the kids with me. There's Hannah.
Hi.
Hi, and Dylan. And we're headed to the movie theaters to watch King Kong, the new King Kong. I'm really excited. And you two are eating Daddy's sunflower seeds. He's gonna yell at you.
You said because
I know. He left them in my car. I was like, sure, because he left them in here, so go ahead. I really liked when they remade the King Kong the last time. It was like, I don't even know, 5 years ago or something.
with Jack Black.
Yeah, I thought it was actually really good. So I'm excited to see what they're gonna do with this one. Plus, there's a lot of really famous people in this movie, and not just famous, but like really good actors, like Oscar winning, Oscar nominated, everything. So here we go to the movies. What? I get all embarrassed when I record myself in front of people. Oh my God, it's so embarrassing. Gracie, Gracie. So the movie's over. I thought it was really good. It was very different than the last one. So this was more like a battle, I guess. It was more like fighting against Kong and other stuff rather than that like girl scenario where like they're rescuing the girl. What did you guys think?
It was really good.
I liked it way better than the remake.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to lunch. So we're home now. I dropped Dylan off at his friend's house. The girls are outside cleaning the car because on the way home, Hannah dumped the entire pop from the movie theater. So like the ginormous gallon, container of pop in my back seat. So they're in there cleaning it because I'm not cleaning it. We did actually stop at the thrift store too to get a couple things, but I didn't record. But this is what we got. So I got this for wood because right now we're using, I don't know if you can see that recycle bin over there, that green ugly recycle bin. So I got this. It was like $3 to hold all the firewood. And then I got this little chair, which is not going to be a chair. Pretty much we need a cat stand. So I'm gonna take the top of that off and use this stand and then put like a piece of wood so that she can eat and stuff. So that was like $3.50. Lucy. Oh gosh. You're a crazy pants. Don't do that to the door. Do you wanna come in? Okay. Psycho. Hello. What are you gonna do now? No. Are you happy we're home? Yes, you are. Shh. So it is now like 8:30. I watched about 3 or 4 episodes of Law & Order SVU back to back. I honestly could watch that show every day for the rest of my life. I'm pretty sure I've seen every episode like 2 or 3 times. It's like never bores me. I just love it. So anyways, now Matt and I are just hanging out. We're watching Undercover Boss. And I was gonna edit the video from when we went on the train ride. And my God, that spot on the camera is making me nuts. I'm so glad I was able to fix it. But I'm so mad that I spent the whole day with that stupid spot and it like pretty much ruined the whole video. Because I feel like when I watch the video, that's the only thing I can look at. Makes me nuts. But anyways, we're just hanging out, and then tomorrow we're gonna go watch, what are we watching?
John Wick 2.
What?
John Wick 2.
John Wick 2. What are you doing? It's like, oh, the dog's gonna get you? You look like a psychopath. She is not like this. Are you guys in jail? She biting you?
Oh, yes.
This is what we do on Saturday night. Here you go. You don't want it? Bella wants food. You want food. Get it. Psycho. Even with a slow feeder, you still eat way too fast. Alright, so Matt and I are getting ready to go watch a movie. I am really excited that I get to watch 2 movies during one weekend because that never happens. But we're going to watch the Jack Reacher Chapter 2. So I'm just packing some snacks because I've been trying really hard to eat healthy. I've completely cut pop out. I'm almost at a week. So I'm packing some like almonds and some fresh fruit and stuff like that. And then I'm bringing lemon water. So now I have some almonds and some fresh fruit. So I'm kind of glad that we chose to do movies this weekend because it was supposed to be nice out, but it's been raining. And now look at the cloud. Like that is a pretty dark cloud. So we were getting popcorn at the movie theater and there's like a Prime line because we pay for Prime membership, and there was another lady in like the normal line, and so when you're in Prime you get helped first, and she was like, I want a bunch of
Look what we got.
really funny. And we got big popcorn. I'm not eating any of it, he's eating all of it. Okay, gotta go. Shh. We just finished with the movie and I thought it was really good. It was as good as the first one. The first one I really liked, so I was excited to see this. There was a lot more, I feel like a lot more shooting and killing and stuff. Didn't you think that there was?
Mm-hmm.
I swear to God, he must have killed like 150 people.
No, like 90.
Okay, 90. Anyways, it was really good. And it was funny because we saw this video on Facebook of Keanu Reeves practicing at a shooting range, but not just like practicing. It was like, I feel like what the like military, or I don't know, like it was so intense, and you could see like from the movie, you could kind of see like how, you know, he took that training and then used it in the film. If I can find the video, I'll link it in this description, but he's like a badass. Like even in just real life, like how fast he can use guns and switch the clips out and everything, it was crazy. Are you okay? Are you okay, dude? You're gonna sneeze again? What's going on? So Lucy has sneezed about 30 times already, and it went from being, I was like crying, I was laughing so hard. It went from being like really funny to now I'm kind of worried about her because I've never seen her sneeze this many times in a row, and she keeps like twinging up the one side of her face like something's wrong, and then she keeps like pawing. It's like on her one side of her snout, and I don't know if she has something like in her nose, or like I just looked it up and it said sometimes if they have a tooth infection, but I don't know what's going on because I've literally never seen her sneeze this many times in a row, and it's like not stopping. It's been going on for like 20 minutes. Are you okay? Oh, baby. What's going on with your nose? Oh, you're gonna do it again, aren't you? There's nothing there. I don't know what to do. There's nothing in your nose. Ugh. Well, Lucy stopped sneezing, thank God. I was really getting worried for a little bit, but it was hilarious, the faces she was making. I'm just glad that she's not like sick or something, and hopefully it doesn't continue.
I have to.
What are you doing?
I could jack people.
Wait. Okay, ready? Go. Wait.
I saw a shock. I saw it.
It's all shot. Here, watch, I can do the dog's nose.
No, I don't want you to do the dog. What
Just
are
try,
you
just
doing?
I can touch her.
Oh, dude, I can hear it. All the crackling. They're so weird. She's like, don't touch me. Stop!
Spark on your wrist.
Great.
Yeah, I just sparkled on my fingers.
Dude, we're trying to watch something.
Oh, baby.
Alright guys, so it's getting really late, so I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog and go to bed. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Peace.